So after losing the money, you are very sad, that much sad that the parents are finally giving you that amount of money. After getting that money, your lost money, you found it. For example, you collected 30 rupees maybe in your childhood, now also you are child, you lost it, you were sad for 2, 3, 4 hours, mother has given you 30 rupees, and the lost 30 rupees you got it. Now you are having 60 rupees. Now the question is, have you returned that money to the mother, that the lost money I have found, or you become more happy that now my money is doubled? Okay, so if you have doubled the money in this way, you can raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. 6. Put your hands down, children. Right? So this is also the way how the money was doubled in the childhood. So this story you all can listen very nicely, and he is thinking to save his money. A hole under the carpet was too predictable. A cooking pot was nothing to give a sense of security. It occurred to him that he could divide his saving into separate piles, but he felt even this was not a foolproof protective measure. So he started thinking how I should save the money. Okay, means how I should save the money means under the bed or in the utensils, or I should separate the money in so many parts and then I should save. For if a thief found one pile, so if thief is able to find one pile where money is there, then he will start searching all the room and he will get also. Was not he all the more likely to keep on searching, driven by the lure of finding more? So you see the meaning, lure. Lure means it is one feeling, it is one temptation, you can say, that more I can get, right? That is called lure. The thought of a safe, secure place kept on playing in his mind. Now he is only thinking that what is the safe, what is the secure place. Okay. Now imagine you are in a field. Okay, you are roaming in the field, and in the field you got a cricket ball. You got a cricket ball in the field, right? And a friend is also with you, and you are giving the cricket ball to him that day and saying that I cannot carry this ball to my house now, otherwise my parents will think that today I was playing. Okay, you keep this, tomorrow I will take from you. Understood this situation? And tomorrow when you are meeting with your friend, you are asking, where is my ball? He is saying, that ball at my home I was playing and a long hit 6, and I don't know which planet now it is, right? So how you will feel, how you will respond? Anyone can imagine this situation and can say this answer. You will be happy, you will be sad, you will break the friendship with that person, or you will just ignore these things. You will think that I got that ball, okay, that was not mine only, okay, or you will insist him that buy a new ball, give to me tomorrow, otherwise you will have your face without nose. Okay, think, imagine. So I think many ideas are coming to you. Okay. As he went about clearing trash from homes and shops, he heard all sorts of talk. So whenever he was cleaning the room and whenever he was cleaning the shops, house, everything, road, city, he was listening so many stories. And one story you see, from rogue and swindlers to reputable and respected people. Even the common people, those who are not having any role to play in the society, they are just affectors. They are not the influencers. Okay, I am affected by those people. I am affecting those people. So influencers are at the high post. A name that often made its way to his ear in high regard was that of the Qadi. So Qadi is a judge, okay? In the Turkey, Qadi was a judge, and judge used to be very respected person. But in few cases, we have seen children, okay, that judge are proving that they are also human being, and they also have done some of the mistakes, okay, for which the bad name is there. But 99% judge, they used to be very good and honest. He was always spoken of in worthy administration. Worthy admiration means with full and high respect. Okay. So whenever anyone was taking the name, he was taking the name in full and high respect. I remember one my friend, he was talking with his father with full respect. Means, sir, you were talking with your father not with full respect? No. We all were talking with our parent, our father, in respect. And he was talking with his father in full respect. Imagine, for example, I am sitting and that time my father is calling me. How I will talk? I will receive the receiver and I will wish him, and then I will ask how you are, or I will inform how I am. Like this I will talk. Yes or no? One friend, what he was doing, example, he is sitting and his father is calling, he will stand and he will talk. Understood this? For example, in between the lunch, he is having the lunch, suddenly his father is calling, he will stand and he will talk. He is sleeping and if someone is calling, he is sleeping and talking, but if father is calling, he will stand and he will talk. Right? So this is called highness of respect. That much you fear from your father, that he is making you to stand, okay, or you respect, or in love also it can be. So this is the perfect example of worthy admiration. The dustman decided to pay a visit to the honorable Qadi and share his worries with him. So he thought that I should go to the Qadi and I should share with him my feelings, that I am worried, okay, that a crime can happen with me and someone can loot all my property, whatever 500 silver coins I have saved. Okay, so you cannot go to police and say that, sir, I am having fear that someone can loot my property. No, only if your property is looted, then you can go to the police and you can say, now the work is done, now I am a beggar. Okay, start your investigation. So you see, the dustman decided to pay a visit to the honorable Qadi and share his worries with him. After being invited inside, he said, "O esteemed Qadi, please forgive me for appearing before you in your home in these old and torn clothes." So what the line he is saying, first of all, forgive me, I am very sorry that I am entering in your house in torn and means in old clothes, okay, which are torn like this. So this is India, children, and here you can see that much dressing sense differences we don't have. Are you understanding? Means the one who is cleaning the road and the one who is officer, much differences in dressing sense we don't have. Okay, little bit we have, but that much difference we don't have. If you go in Western country, there this much distance is also not there. Means the one who is cleaning the road, no, after cleaning the road, he is wearing the suit, coat, tie, belt maybe, and you will say, oh God, he is looking superstar. Right? Are you understanding? So the dressing is only a sense, it is not the person's reflection. Please forgive me for appearing before you in your home in these old and torn clothes. I come with deep respect for you as there is no one as highly regarded as you in all of Istanbul. Imagine someone is entering in your house and saying that no one is this much respected, how much you are respected in this whole Istanbul, that day how you will feel. Today your house, any poor person is coming and saying that you are the most respected person in this Istanbul. You will feel very good and high. Yes or no? So you all are thinking that, sir, who is coming to our house? Maybe someone is coming and saying, your son has beaten my son. You see what this is with. Okay. Then parents are saying, okay, let me call my son. Then we will discuss both the sides. We will listen and we will come to the common point. Okay. Then the story will start that once upon a time they both were good friends. Right? Then he pushed him and nothing happened. He fell down. Okay? Then parents are finally saying, okay, if he is slapping first, you also slap him and come. Otherwise parents are saying, inform me. Right? And then both the parents are separating them from each other. Don't talk with him, don't talk to him. After again 5 days, they both are roaming together. Okay, maybe sharing the same ice cream. Right? And parents are watching, what the nonsense is this? And then they are informing the parents again, now he is changed. Like Gautam Buddha also changed, no? In school today, teacher was teaching Gautam Buddha changed. So like that only, he is also changed. Anyone has done this type of things? No, not this much, but few you have done. Okay. So, now the next step, see. The dustman decided to pay a visit to the Honorable Qadi and share his worries with him, and saying, sorry that sir, I came in this old and torn clothes. I come with deep respect for you as there is no one as highly regarded as you of Istanbul. I have come to humbly ask for something. After hearing his praises, the Qadi's replies, please tell me what it is. I will look to help you if I can. And he is saying that I am ready to help you, okay? The poor man informed the Qadi of how he had saved 500 silver coins for his family and needed to work at least another 2 years in the city before he could meet his family again. So he is informing that 500 silver coins he has saved and 2 more years he will be here working. Okay. So these 500 coins he want to give to the Qadi. He told the Qadi about how terrified he was of being robbed of his life earning, and he is having the fear that what should not happen, he should not be robbed. Okay. Have you seen in your family someone is there who is always asking who is there? Means at night when all are sleeping and somebody is maybe just walking or opening the gate or closing the gate or room. So maybe the old person or anyone is always there. They are always asking, who is there? Have you seen this? Yes. Or no one is caring. Simply you can make the noise. You can, for example, this is night and this is maybe 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock and someone is taking the chair like this. Be sure someone will surely ask who is there and you have to inform now. Okay, example, your name is Ayush, you have to say, I am Ayush. Okay, then all family member will be silent. Now imagine thief is there. Okay, thief is making the sound, dragging the chair because he wants to search what is there in the box. Family is asking who is there and thief is giving reply, I am there, I am thief. And family is thinking, oh, somebody said something. Not exactly I have listened what they said, but they said something. So never ever thief used to reply. Thief used to do this thieving. And you know, children, I am surprised to share one data with you all. Last 5 to 10 years, number of theft has increased a lot, and it is found that children from the good family, 60% thieves are those who are belonging from a good family. Okay, means the child is caught in theft, and later it was found that his father is only sub-inspector. Okay, real incident I am saying. Someone is caught, his father is doctor, engineer, businessman, a reputed person in the society. Why he is doing these things? Then he started crying and saying his story that my father is not giving me that much money. I want to buy one motorcycle, KTM latest version. Okay, all my friends are making my fun, so I did this. Then people asked, how much your father is giving you? So now I am studying in 11th standard and daily my father is giving 100 rupees money. Oh my God, 100 rupees you think is less money? 100 rupees, if you are having in the pocket 3 days, you can dance with your friend. Okay? Some are smiling also. Yes sir, we were dancing. So I am saying, children, why I am saying that never ever any good child, means they are coming from good family, means they are having good education background also, no? They went to school also, college also, having good degree also, and they are doing this type of work. So later in your life, if you will get this type of opportunity to do, okay, leave that group and leave alone. But don't indulge in all these things. These all things will come to an end in the prison, and a big insult will be there. Okay. So how I am saying 60% are there from good family? Because I used to read newspaper, and this you can also search on the social media, so you will get the same answer. Coming back to the topic. So he is saying that I have come here. He then told the Qadi about how terrified he was being robbed. Would the generous Qadi graciously permit the humble man to leave his hard-earned money in his trusted and reliable care at his home? And then he is saying that can I keep my money with you in your house? I need that permission. The thoughtful looking Qadi replied, it is clear that this means a lot to you. You can leave your saving here by all means. I can assure you that your money is safe here. You can come back to ask for your money whenever you want. And Qadi is saying that yes, you be assured. Don't worry my child. Give your all money to me, and whenever you need, you come back. Okay? Your money is safe with me. Every coin shall be guarded and accounted for. And one more dialogue he is adding, that every coin will be guarded and accounted for. Means you will not miss a single penny from this house. This is the house of a judge, a Qadi. Right? Now imagine one situation, children. You are having a plan that how you will save the money. Right? And you got a plan that if I will give this money to my mother, and if I will not ask back every day I will give, then my money is saved. You got this plan, right? And you convince your mother that, mother, I will give you money, I will not ask it back, this is my promise, my oath. And when I will need, I will inform you, and after that 3-4 days you can give. Like this you are having the agreement deal. Okay? And imagine you have collected maybe 80 or 100 rupees. So mother is listening what the child is doing. And mother is saying, okay, you have given. And now what the mother did, maybe she bought some vegetables or something with that money only, because you said that You will not ask it soon. After 2 hours only, you start feeling, you start missing your money. Now you wanted to buy something, okay? And you are knowing you are having the money. So you are going to your mother and saying that, what the deal we were having, now I am breaking the deal. So I know you are my mother, but please give my money back. Mother is saying, listen, now I don't have cash. So in the evening, father will come. He will give you money, all the monies, whatever you have. And next time I will not collect your money with me. You listen it, you went away from there. Again, after 10 minutes, you are coming with a sad face. Okay? Crying face. And saying, I want my money. Anyone has done this type of act can raise the hand. Sir, I don't know, but this happened with me. Okay? So if you don't raise the hand, then also I can understand by your facial expression that you have done this. Okay? So the same thing here you can see, he is promising that after 2 years I will go home. But in the story we will see that unfortunately he is going after few days only to his home. Right? So he is coming back to Kadi and saying that I want my money back. And Kadi is thinking, hey, he was saying that he will come after 2 years, now only he is coming. Okay? So we will see that. So if you have forced your mother more that you want the money now only, then mother has given a good speech of 5 minutes to you, and maybe after asking few money from the friends, neighbor maybe, okay, and saying that in the evening it will be returned, and then giving it back to you. And one more time you are giving the proposal to the mother that now I am changed, because Gautam Buddha also changed, right? So again I will keep all my money with you. And the mother said, no, don't save the money, because you cannot save the money. This is called mood swing, children. What this is called? Mood swing means sudden changes in the thoughts and feeling is called mood swing. What you are thinking now, after 2 hours, just opposite you started thinking and feeling, that is called mood swing. And generally children used to feel this a lot. Sometimes they want to save the money, sometimes they want to spend the money. Okay? Page number 114 you see, this is the image of Kadi and this is the image of dustman. Okay? The poor man felt as if a huge burden had been lifted off his mind. Leaving his bag with 500 silver coins at the Kadi's home, he returned home relieved. So now he is thinking that I am not having any burden. I am very relieved. Why? Because all my money is saved to the Kadi. Right? One boy was there. The boy was having a dog's house, a small dog house from market. And you know what was this? You have to put the coin there and one dog will come and that dog will take the coin away. And the boy was very intelligent. He said that one magic he will show. I said, okay. He said, take out your coin. I said, okay. And he said that put here. And the dog is coming and taking away. And he started laughing. I said, like this you are collecting the money, boy. This is the wrong way, no? He said that now it will not come. Then I said, okay, no issue. Then I asked that if you will collect more coin like this, then how you will take out the coin? He said that from back side open like this, and then I said, okay. Then he started crying that no, once the coin is inside, now it is mine. Okay, so means children are buying from the market that type of things, no, which they can sell and they can show the magic to others and others money also they can say, right? Have you ever bought this type of things, children? Okay. So what that is called, where the money is kept? In English, what that is called? In Hindi, gullak it is said. In English, what it is called? Huh? Anyone stand up and say?